Cloud computing. Probably one of the most popular technology you might hear today. Cloud computing has become a rapidly growing technology over the last few years. In year 2008, the market worth of cloud is said to be $5.8 billion and now the total market worth grown up to $483.9 billion and expected to reach $1,500+ by the year 2030. But, how is it possible? Before moving to cloud, let's see about traditional centers, also known as on-premises data centers. In on-premises data centers, the user maintains and manages their own data centers. Now you may get a question: what is data center? Data center is a physical facility or space that organizations use to house their compute resources. The compute resources include servers, storage and networks, and adding to that it includes the applications, operating systems and other software the company uses to run their business. Here the user controls everything that are required by their business needs. But still there are some drawbacks on traditional approach or on-premises data center. The first and most important drawback is cost. Here the user need to spend a huge amount of money to setting up a physical data center, which includes purchasing hardware, software, and hiring a skilled professional for maintaining, which also increases the maintenance cost. Another drawback in on-premises data center is scalability. For example, consider a seller who sells dresses online. He noticed that on normal days his website hits 100 requests a day. On festival days, the seller noticed, per day, more than 1,000 requests hit his website. The seller wanted to ensure a smooth customer experience, so he added more servers on his data center, but after 2 days, he again noticed the requests reduced to 100. Now most of his servers were not in use, but he have invested a lot in it. This kind of expenditures will have a great impact in startup companies or even a large enterprise who are planning to extend their operations. And to overcome it, cloud is the solution. But what is cloud computing? In simple words, cloud computing is the on-demand delivery of computing services. Instead of the user maintaining his own compute resources, the cloud vendor provide the resources to you and you pay only for what you use. These compute resources can be anything like compute machines, storage services, networking services, or machine learning and IoT services. Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure and Google Cloud are some of the leading cloud providers in the market, and they provide limitless pool of raw compute, storage, and networking components. All those are easy to use and you pay only for what you use. Okay, then how is it solving my problems in on-premises, and why should I move to cloud? In on-premises, an enterprise is responsible for setting and maintaining the physical hardware and all its related processes, which results in high upfront cost, including costs of the server hardware, power consumption, and space. But in cloud, the cloud vendor maintains the physical hardware, and you pay only operational expenses. And you may make use of every compute resources effectively. And in on-premises, adding additional resources may result in high cost, and extra resources will be idle when not in use. And you have only limited resources. But in cloud, resources can be added with few clicks and unused resources can be removed at any time. And you will get access to unlimited resources. Some of the other advantage of cloud includes, it can operate without failure. You can deploy resources in any global region provided by cloud. Easily accessible at any remote location with an internet connectivity. Your deployed resources will be fully functional in very few minutes. Easy to take backup. Software updates, security and much more will be taken care by service provider. In this video, we have seen about traditional or on-premises data center, introduction to cloud computing, and advantages of cloud computing. In the next video, we will see types of cloud service models and much more. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos.